Hello and a warm welcome to the Tamil Nadu Brief. I'm Sam Daniel. The headlines first. M K Stalin's State Autonomy Salvo constitutes a committee under Justice Kurien Joseph. The BJP calls it diversionary. A community in Vellore district of Tamil Nadu alleges demand of rental by Waqf. The collector orders status quo, DRO inquiry ordered. And a class 8 student stabs a classmate with a sickle on campus. A teacher injured as well. Intensifying his offensive against the BJP at the centre, Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M K Stalin today constituted a committee under former Supreme Court Judge Justice Kurien Joseph to examine, evaluate and recommend measures to protect legitimate rights of states guaranteed by the Constitution and also to improve the relations between the centre and states. The committee will also emphasize federalism and recommend measures to retrieve what were earlier the subjects under the states list, which were later moved either to the concurrent or the central list. Former bureaucrat Ashok Vardhan Shetty would be a member of this committee besides the Deputy Chairman of the Tamil Nadu Planning Commission, the former Deputy Chairman, Professor Naganathan, would be members of this. The interim report will be presented by the end of January in 2026 and the final report in 2 years' time. With elections due in Tamil Nadu in 1 year, nobody knows who would be in power when the report would be finally submitted.
வேற்றுமையில் ஒற்றுமையின் அடிப்படையில் பரந்து விரிந்த இந்திய திருநாட்டின் அனைத்து மாநிலங்கள் உரிமைகளை காத்திடவே நாம் இன்று இந்த முயற்சியை முன்னெடுத்திருக்கின்றோம். நம் தாய் தமிழ் மொழியை காத்திடும் முயற்சிகளில் ஈடுபடுவதெல்லாம் இந்தியாவின் பல பகுதிகளில் தம் இயல்பை இழந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் பிற மொழிகள் குறித்தும் அழிந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் பழங்குடியினரின் மொழிகள் குறித்தும் நாம் கவலை கொள்கிறோம் என்பதுதான் உண்மை.
The BJP and the AIADMK walked out of the assembly today, calling this diversionary tactic by the ruling DMK to divert attention from law and order problems, women's safety issues and corruption allegations.
See, first of all, as per the constitution, the rights and the autonomy of the state governments are being well protected. Our forefathers and the makers of the constitution, after due deliberation, so they have given the state list, center list and concurrent list. When that is being so, and it is not that first time the government, the DMK party is talking about the autonomy to the state. Whenever they are facing the crisis and also whenever they are in power, when they are facing the anger of the people, immediately they start talking about the autonomy of the state. See how many times the DMK was in power at the center. That too in UPA. They were so powerful. Why they did not take any initiative? Why they did not appoint any committee during that time to study about the center-state relationship? And what is the necessity now? And as far as the Honorable CM is mentioning about the need, 3-language formula, delimitation, GST, all these things have been, it has been consulted by the state government and even the GST council, the state government is also part in a. When that is being so, why the DMK government is bringing this resolution now? Because the state minister, Mr. Ponmudi, who has made a derogatory remarks about the Hindu religion symbols and about the women, and some of the ministers are facing the raids at their houses, and the ADMK is also bringing the attention motion when to divert the attention of the people, attention of the media particularly. So the Honorable CM is bringing this kind of a resolution, and already a committee has been appointed. When they came to power in the state, the first committee with all the international experts in the finance, they appointed a committee. What had happened? After appointment of a committee, now the Tamil Nadu is a #1 debt state in India. Okay, so let them appoint a committee, let them study the relationship. No issue about it. That is only for an academic purpose. Okay, we can have a good report, we can have a good analyzation, we can also go through that report. But as far as the autonomy is concerned, it is very well defined under the constitution. There is no need for a separate resolution in the assembly.
Are you meeting the
Naina
governor
Nagavan
now,
says that
ma'am?
this leads
Not-
to in separatism. You're not meeting the
No,
governor.
we are not meeting governor.
Naina Nagavan says that this leads to in separatism.
Yes, of course, that is in the DMK's DNA. See, whenever they are facing any difficulty, whenever they are facing any crisis, immediately the DMK talks about the autonomy of the state, right of the state, whatever it is. If you could analyze their history, we could see that whenever they are getting an opportunity to be in power at the center, they enjoy. They get a good ministries, they enjoy the power. Whenever they are facing any crisis, immediately they talk about the autonomy. This is also one of that step what we are seeing today.
Asked with law minister, he says that already Ponmundi have given an apology regarding this thing, and why you are taking this problem.
See, making such a derogatory statement and after that seeking apology, and we need some strong action. When you are removing from the party position, why you are not removing from the minister position? So in what way you are valuing the minister position?
So you are given an attention motion.
Yeah, today I have given the attention motion to discuss about it, but I don't know whether the speaker is going to take it or not. But anyway, our state president, Mr. Nainar Nagendran sir, just now he has announced that Tamil Nadu unit is also going to have, going to do agitation across the state. Not tomorrow, he will announce it. Okay.
On Waqf board, which have claimed that nearly 150 families doing surprise, they have given a statement that they should vacate or they should pay for the near the Vellore district.
There were several instances of that nature all over the state and all over India also. That's why the government is bringing this Waqf Act to protect the interest of the people and ownership of the poor people, and it is a kind of a reform act. So to avoid all this kind of a conflict of interest. So now the people who are bringing those incidents or the claim about the property, now the people would realize that what our Honorable Prime Minister Modi is bringing this Waqf back only for the welfare of the people.
And this is what Tamil Nadu Congress chief and MLA Salvo Perundugai had to say.
Joining us now, Mr. Salvo Perundugai, the Tamil Nadu Congress chief. So thank you very much for your time. How do you look at the resolution for autonomy for states by Chief Minister? The BJP calls it divisive.
What Indian Constitution said, Indian Constitution 100% should implement from Union government. The problem is Narendra Modi government, they didn't implement the Indian Constitution. The BJP government would destroy the Indian Constitution. This is the problem. That's why our Tamil Nadu government under the Chief Minister approached the Supreme Court. Supreme Court given very good historical mandate. What the judgment said, they have rights. You should not disturb. Anybody will pass a resolution in the assembly or ministry of the
BJP says when the DMK was part of the UPA, they didn't talk about this at all. But
no, 1974 they brought resolution. 1974 Karunanidhi ji given the memorandum to Indira Gandhi ji, we want to rights the flag hosting, the August 15th. Indira Gandhi madam given to state. This is one of the autonomous. Madam Indira Gandhi ji was prime minister.
they're not selective, you mean?
No. Therefore, they want to implement Indian Constitution. They respect the Indian Constitution. Now the BJP government, they don't want respect. They want to destroy the Indian Constitution.
Thank you very much for your time. That was Mr. Salvo Perundugai, the Tamil Nadu Congress legislature leader, talking to us.
A community of around 100 people in a village in the Vellore district of Tamil Nadu have given a complaint to the collector that a local mosque there is demanding rental for their properties, including houses and shops on a 9-acre property, which is believed to be owned by the Waqf. The collector has ordered status quo. A DRO probe has been ordered to verify documents from both sides. It's a sensitive issue. Authorities are handling it very cautiously, and this could be an acid test for the new amended Waqf Act. This is what the collector had to say.
நில பிரச்சனை குறித்து மாவட்ட நிர்வாகத்திற்கு அந்த மக்கள் சார்பில் மனு கொடுக்கப்பட்டது. அதன் அடிப்படையில் மாவட்ட வருவாய் அலுவலரை 2 தரப்பினர்கிட்டையும் அந்த நிலம் குறித்து அவர்களிடம் இருக்கிற ஆவணங்களை பெற்று விசாரிக்க பணித்திருக்கிறோம். மாவட்ட வருவாய் அலுவலரின் அறிக்கையை பெற்று நாங்கள் இது மீது நடவடிக்கை எடுப்போம்.
A disturbing story from Tirunelveli. A class 8 student has attacked his friend turned foe with a sickle on campus over a petty tussle over a pencil a month ago. A teacher who came to stop them also suffered injuries. Investigation is underway. Police say both were good friends actually till a month ago, after they turned into bitter enemies over a fight over a pencil. Investigation is underway, and that's all the time we have for on this edition of the Tamil Nadu Brief. See you tomorrow, same time. Goodbye.